Okay, in this video, we are going to integrate using integration by parts. So the problem is as follows. Evaluate the integral of x cosine 5x dx. So before we start, let's remind ourselves or recall what the formula for integration by parts is. So the integral of u dv equals uv minus integral of v du. And another way to write this is integral of u of x v prime of x dx is equal to u of x v of x minus integral of v of x u prime of x dx. So the first and most important step is to be able to determine what an appropriate setting for u of x v prime of x is going to be. So since on the right hand side we have v of integral of v of x times u prime of x dx, it is good to simplify that to get that expression a lot more simpler than the one that we have on the left. So the most appropriate one would be setting u to be x and v prime of x to be cosine of 5x. So let's do that. V prime of x equal cosine of 5x. It means that v of x is integral of cosine of 5x dx. And we can remind ourselves what we know about the integral. So recall integral of cosine mx dx is negative, or is sorry, not negative, it's 1 over m sine of sine of mx plus constant. Our m in this case is 5. So v of x is equal to 1 over 5 sine of 5x plus constant. And since in the formula of integration by power, we do have an integral on the right hand side, we do not need the constant term. So I'm going to omit it. So we do not need the constant term. We take it out. And we also say that when v prime of x is cosine 5x, that means the other factor is u of x, that means which is x. It means that u prime of x is 1. Now, the given integral was integral of x cosine of 5x dx. Now, but using the formula, it says that it's u of x, that means x. V of x, that means 1 over 5 sine of 5x minus integral of v of x, that means 1 over 5 sine of 5x times the derivative of u, that means 1 times dx. Rewriting this in the most simplified way is 1 over 5x sine of 5x minus 1 over 5 sine of integral of sine of 5x dx. Now, we also know that, recall, integral of sine of px dx is negative 1 over p cosine of px plus constant. So this means that we have 1 over 5x sine of 5x minus 1 over 5. Now the integral of this integral is, by the formula that we just wrote in green, is equal to negative 1 over 5 cosine of 5x. Then we can put the plus c outside. So that gave us 1 over 5 x sine of 5x minus or plus 1 over 25 cosine of 5x plus constant. And that is the result of integrating x cosine 5x dx. And this concludes evaluating the given integral.